All right, guys, what's going on? Had to come out here to my car to film this. A little too loud in the house right now. Got the washer going, got TV going. So just wanted to do something for you guys that's been following the Nancy Guthrie case. Her doorbell camera has been the topic, one of the main topics of the investigation, the suspect on the doorbell camera, right? So I'm going to show you something that will hopefully help you out if you have a doorbell camera. Don't know if a lot of you know this or not, but you need to use specific batteries in your doorbell camera. You don't really critically need to use this type of battery, but if you want long life out of your doorbell camera, let me show you here. Anyway, let me take this out here and let me pop these batteries out here. I want to show you something here, guys. And here's your little key that you pop it off the base with. All right, right there. Lithium batteries. These things are designed to operate off lithium batteries, not alkaline. So if you're replacing your batteries a lot, and look here, I'm guilty of it myself. Look here. High energy. I think, it's alkaline battery. It's a Rayovac alkaline. Yeah, these are alkaline. So, these things, these alkalines, they'll probably last in your doorbell camera probably 2 weeks, if that. But let's see what I got here. I've got a blink is what I've got. So, but yeah, make sure you're using lithium batteries in these things, because with the amount of video and pictures that these things are recording, it drains them really quick. If you have to get alkaline batteries, get some good batteries. Get these high energy, or if you just want to get some Duracells or Energizer, get some name brand alkaline batteries. They will last a lot longer than like your Dollar General batteries, your Dollar Tree batteries, things like that. And these Rayovac high energy batteries, you can get these at Walmart. They're really good too. They're up there with Energizer and Duracell. But if you want if you want your doorbell camera to last like 2 months, 2 to 3 months, get you some lithium batteries. And wife just told me that I think Blink, we got a Blink come out with a new doorbell camera where it's got like a 6-month battery on it. So I don't know if that's an internal battery that you can just recharge, or if again you have to use lithium batteries. Don't know, but I don't know if you guys knew that or not, but definitely get you some lithium batteries for these doorbell cameras, and you won't have to replace them as much. And if security is a big thing to you, definitely use lithium batteries, especially if you feel like your security system is, up there, like high priority for you. Right. Some people, it's not, some people just have these for like Amazon delivery people, their deliveries and stuff like that. If you're actually using these for security, definitely use lithium batteries in these things. So can't go wrong. Anyway, guys, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you on the next video.